In this video we will learn about conditional formatting. It is different from the normal formatting. How it is different from the normal formatting? In this for type of formatting is applied after following some criteria. We apply formatting in the cell values after means after applying some criteria. What criteria it can be? Like suppose I have some data here. So in this data you can see 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 100 it is. So suppose if I want to highlight those numbers which are greater than 50. So for highlighting the numbers which are greater than 50, I will use conditional formatting. Okay, means I am giving it a criteria that I want to highlight only those numbers which are greater than 50. Therefore, it is known as conditional formatting. So for that, I will click here conditional formatting. Here you can see conditional formatting. Now before that I have to select the range of cells. I have selected the cells here like this 10 to 100. Now after selecting the cells I want to highlight the values which are greater than 50. So for that I will go to the conditional formatting under the home tab, and then I will click conditional formatting, and under that I will click highlight cell rules. In highlight cell rules I will click greater than. So now here I will enter 50. Now here you can see the color options also. Means your the number which are greater than 50 will be highlighted by the light red fill with dark red text. So you can change the color also. Right now I am not changing the color. Now after entering 50 in the format cell that are greater than value, you have to enter 50 here. After entering 50 I will click OK. Now you can see the values which are greater than 50 are highlighted here. So this is known as conditional formatting, where we are formatting the cell values by giving some criteria. Now suppose I want to highlight the text value in the same way like the numerical value. So for that again I will go to the conditional formatting tab, but before that you have to select the range of these cells. Now suppose I want to highlight the Monday only. So for that I will go to the conditional formatting again. Then I will click on the highlight cell rules. Then here you have to go to you have to click text that contains. Now here by default it is Monday already is written here. So when you click OK, all the Mondays will get highlighted. Now suppose if you want to highlight Tuesday, so you will go to the conditional formatting, click highlight cell rules, then you will click text that contains. Then here if you will type Tuesday, it will highlight Tuesday also. So here you can see Tuesday is also highlighted. So like that you can highlight the text also. So this is known as conditional formatting. So like that there are other types of formatting. In this you can see greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contain a date occurring, duplicate values. Like suppose if I click duplicate values, it will highlight all the duplicate values. Means here here you can see Monday are repeated, whereas Wednesday are repeated. So it will highlight the duplicate value. Means Tuesday will get highlight, Monday will get highlight. Similarly Wednesday will get highlight. So now if you want to remove all the types of formatting that you have done, if you want to remove this conditional formatting from your sheet, so for that you have to go to the conditional formatting tab, and then you have to click clear rules. Here you will get the options of clear rules from selected cells and clear rules from entire sheet. So suppose if I want to clear the rules from the entire sheet, so I will click that clear rules from entire sheet. Now all the conditional formatting is now removed. No condition is applied here. Now we will try our duplicate formatting. So I have selected the range of cells where I want to highlight the duplicate values. Now I will go to the conditional formatting tab. Here in the under the highlight cell rules I will click duplicate values. Now here duplicate values, if I click OK, all the duplicates value will get highlight. Here you can see from Monday to Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are the duplicate values which get highlighted. It is very helpful for the large number of data. Now suppose under the duplicate formatting, you can see one more thing, unique value. If I click unique value, so first of all I will clear all the rules from the entire sheet. Now if I select the range of cells here, now if I want to highlight the unique values, so for that go to the duplicate values. Under this duplicate value you can see one more unique value. If I click unique value, then it will highlight the unique values, means it is not repeated, it's not duplicate. Like Monday is repeated 2 times, means Monday duplicate is Monday, but here in this case Thursday has no duplicate in it, Friday has no duplicate in it, Saturday also has no duplicate, and Sunday also has no duplicate in the range of data. So these are the unique values which are get highlighted. So this is the way to highlight the unique values. So this is the basic conditional formatting concept that I have taught you. So thank you all.